Guys, we just got out of the cable car and look at this view of Medellin. Welcome and a new video here on Floris Abroad. And today we are in Medellin. And I'm gonna explore Medellin in this video completely with a guide and a walking tour. I'm really excited. There's the group for the free walking tour. Hola, Floris.
Floris. Nice to meet you, Floris. My name is Deuter. I'm going to be your guide. Go ahead and stand right here with the others. Do you need to buy water or something?
Yeah, maybe water, yeah.
If you want, you can buy the water right here in this fashion.
Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna buy some water. I don't know where though. Oh, in this little shop. Buenas, un agua, por favor. ¿Cuántos? Tres? Gracias. Perfect, got the water. So far the tour is really nice. The guide knows a lot, he's a local. But look at this statue, or I don't know what it is, but it looks super nice here in the middle of the city. But I have to catch up with the group. I really like the guy though. It's like a local from Medellin, he's explaining a lot. And I'm gonna give you some funny facts. Oh, probably he's gonna explain a little bit about this statue right now. So he later explained that the fish there in the beginning represent the origin of life. And the thing goes up on top to heaven, symbolizing that we all live, but eventually we all die as well. We're now walking around a little bit and the guy is explaining a lot about the history of Medellin. I'm not recording all of that because I think for the video it might be a little bit boring, but I think it's super interesting. And we're now walking in a really famous street here in the middle of Medellin. The temperature is amazing. Like not too warm, but there is sun. That's my favorite type of temperature. Honestly, I can already say this is my favorite city of Colombia so far. We're now gonna walk to a place where we're gonna have some breakfast and coffee. I also have to go to the toilet, so you can go to the toilet there as well. Now entering another building, and look how beautiful this is. The architecture is amazing. The guide is gonna explain later what it's all about and like what this building is, but look at this. Wow. Incredible.
So guys, this building was designed and built by a Belgian architect in the 1920s. And it used to be the Palace of Justice. So all the shops that you see used to be the offices of lawyers, judges, courts. And the best part here is that you can actually bargain the prices. The only thing we don't bargain on anywhere is food. Besides the food, on everything else is free.
Okay, so this place used to be a palace in a lot of these small things, and also these ones. These were offices and people worked there, but now it turned to like a shopping mall with a lot of fake brands, and you could like bargain. It's like super big. It's like super big to like bargain here for your shoes, for example, because they're not real. They're like all fake. So if we look at here, for example, we see Nike, we see Hugo Boss. But of course they're not real, which is allowed here. And if you want to buy one of those shoes, you need to bargain for the price, because normally they do it to a high price, and it's super normal and in their culture as well to bargain. So you should definitely do that. Right now I don't really need any shoes. I really want to eat something small or go for coffee. So I'm just gonna walk around and see if we can find something. Buenas, un hielo con avocado. Sí, avocado. So we got an avocado ice cream. Never seen this, probably super bad. Let me try. Whoa. This is so weird. Ugh. This is so not good. It's literally avocado ice cream, of course. That's what I ordered, but like it's so weird. Muy raro. Muy raro. Avocado ice cream. Nunca he probado y ¿te gustas o no? ¿Sí? I don't know. For me, this is super weird. It's like one of the weirdest tastes I've ever tried. It's not disgusting or anything because it's avocado. Avocado is nice. I love avocado. But like in an ice cream, I think we've got to throw this away because finishing this. Oh no. I have to throw this away. Found a coffee, of course a flat white, and look at this. They didn't have like any lid, but they have like a handle. Wait, I will switch the camera, you can see it better. There's a handle to like hold the coffee. I've never ever seen this, but it's super useful and a really good flat white. There are also so many fake jerseys, and I want to buy this jersey, the Real Madrid orange one, because I'm from the Netherlands, so orange is a cool color. Plus, I really like Real Madrid, and I live in Madrid, or at least I'm gonna live in Madrid after this trip. We're now at a square, and on this square you find a lot of interesting looking statues, and if you can see, the proportions of this horse are super strange, and you can see that like in the whole square. For example, as here as well, the proportions look really weird, and it's are not statues of just fat people. But there was an Italian artist that made all these sculptures, and he wanted to give them to Medellin under one condition, and that's that they had to be placed in a place where they're very visible. So not, for example, in the museum, but on the square. So that's the reason why all these sculptures are here out there in the open. And also this Italian artist wanted to play with like the volumes, and that's why he gave like really weird proportions to look at how small, for example, the head is to these sculptures. Also, you've got here a church, but only this part is nice. The rest is not really nice. And there was a Belgian architect that wanted to make a really big church on this square, way bigger, like all the way up there. But the Colombian people were really complaining about how he made the church. And at a certain point, the Belgian architect said, okay, well, bye-bye then I'm gonna stop building the church. And that's why it's only finished from this side and not super big. And then the Colombian people thought, okay, then we're gonna finish the church, but they literally only made this wall and stopped building. So they shouldn't be mad at the architect. They should just let the Belgian architect finish the church, and then it would have been way bigger and a way nicer church. We're now on a plaza, and this plaza is completely empty, as you can see, and that is because there used to be concerts here. However, there's one tragic thing that happened. As you can see here, you see two sculptures. It's like of birds, and this one is completely destroyed and this one is not destroyed. The one that's completely destroyed is because of a bomb. Somebody put a bomb, nobody knows who it was eventually, but somebody put a bomb inside and killed 28 people during that concert. And the government wanted to remove this sculpture, but the Italian architect said, no, that's not what we're gonna do. We're just gonna make a new one. And this basically like kind of symbolizes the bad times of Colombia, Medellin, and now the good times of Colombia, Medellin. So I thought it was a really interesting fact about this square. I'm right now gonna go to the metro station. I'm gonna take a metro to another place where we're gonna get a cable car all the way up the mountain. Apparently there are crazy nice views. We're now next to the metro station and in the center of Medellin. This is a really famous park where in the night a lot of music artists play songs, which is nice, but I'm not gonna go here in the night. And also there are a lot of coffee ladies who sell coffee. I just already had a coffee in the cafeteria, but they sell it with like the different color bottles, which is really interesting. And around the square you see a lot of different coffee ladies selling them, and with those different colors of the bottles. But I'm gonna go with the metro to the cable car. I'm really excited to have like a view above whole Medellin. There we are. It's super easy because we just got out of the metro, and then there is the cable car. Oh yeah, you see in the back, it's gonna go up that hill. But I asked that guide of the free walking tour, and he told me this is the most famous one, or at least his favorite one, and the one you see the view of Medellin the best. So we're gonna find out. Let's see if my card works. Probably not, because I charge it, but I don't know for how much. Let me see. Oh, it does. Okay, perfect. Sweet, we're through. We're sitting. View is not amazing through the windows, but here you can really see like how big the city actually is. I hope like upstairs we're gonna have like a better view of it. We're gonna see. We left the cable car. This is absolutely stunning, this view. I hope it does it justice on the camera. Yeah, you can see. It's completely crazy. This is so beautiful. What a city. I'm gonna ask, pero dentro este sitio. Oh no, fuera. Ah, vale, gracias. Okay, so apparently if we go a little bit outside, we can see it even better. This is so stunning. I didn't know the Medellin was this big. Now we're really in like the neighborhood, and now you really see like the typical Medellin houses. Wow. Okay, we're definitely going to go down here. You already saw that, by the way, when we were on the cable car. You already could really see almost inside the houses and how they live. And you see here all mini houses together, and just imagine like how big this is, because there in the back you see also a big neighborhood. I have no idea what type of neighborhood this is. If this is more, now probably not super rich, but like, oh my god. Look, wait, oh, did it turn the camera? Look at this view. This is completely crazy. It's so much bigger than I thought. I knew Medellin, big city, but whoa, damn. Oh, look at this. This is completely crazy. What a view. What a stunning view this is. And just imagine, like, that's what I just told you as well, but like so many small houses, like a whole community together. You've got so many, because there back against the hill, there's even a way bigger area. Then there you've got like taller buildings, then here taller buildings as well. This is completely crazy. Super beautiful view. And the guide told me this is the best view. Well, I'm pretty sure this is the best view. Sí, es el visto del mi hostel. Del hostel.
¿Qué parte es?
Chimba, ¿no? Sí, ¿eh?
¿En el poblado no?
¿Cómo dices en poblado? Sí.
Poblado. Ay, ya.
Todo me hace una hora, sí. Ok, entonces, gracias, hasta luego, chicos, bye bye. Ciao. I was just staying with these guys for like half an hour, I think an hour, really nice guys. Just did like a drink there, and they told me about like Medellin, they told me about nice places to visit, they told me about the clubs, because tonight it's Friday when I'm recording this, by the way, like one more time, this view. Incredible. It's Friday night, or like it's Friday afternoon right now, but tonight I'm gonna party. So I also asked the guys like, what is a good club to go to tonight? And we just talked for like half an hour, like a little bit more I think than half an hour. Really nice guys actually. It's really fun, by the way, to talk with locals like that. Of course I'm not gonna film everything, it's a bit weird, but it was super nice to talk with them. I'm now gonna take the cable cars back down again, because I can go more up, but they told me if you're not a local guide, you probably don't go more up, and they were working, so they couldn't bring me more up as well, because they have like a restaurant or like a little bar to run. Gonna see if my card works, or I have to pay another travel. Please? No. ¿Dónde puedo comprar más viajes? Aquí. Dices dos porque quiero ir al poblado.
Popular.
Sí. Entonces no sé cuánto viajes necesito, pero...
Popular sería un viaje.
Un viaje. Entonces,
Dale, pues.
¿cómo se funciona? Sí, tengo monedas. No. 10.
10.000.
Gracias. Y funciona ahora. Sí. Gracias. Okay, I just put like more money on it because I'm now like almost charging it every ride, which is pretty annoying. So I just put like 10,000, and it maybe sounds a lot, but that's literally €2.50 or $2.50, which is crazy cheap if you ask me. I'm gonna go in this one. Let's go. We're like now alone, so I can easier talk. No, those guys were really nice actually. Those guys are really nice. It was really fun to sit down there for like 40 minutes. Just talk a bit about the city, what the best clubs are here to go to, and just live in Medellin. The only thing is like they did not talk easier Spanish, they talk like they talk to each other. And I think that's the way to learn, right? To like speak with locals and they don't like slow down, they just talk how they talk, and you just either have to keep up or not understand them. And not understanding them is of course not an option. Here we go down. I love Medellin so far. It's my favorite city in Colombia easily so far, and I've only been here for a day. Look at this. Stretch legs, amazing views. Wow. Here now you can really see the houses way better. It's really interesting to focus in on like one single house and kind of like imagine living there and imagine how life would be if you would live there. And if you just look at this part, you see like a few houses here, but then just imagine how many houses there are in this whole neighborhood. I already told you in the beginning, it's just completely insane to me. But I'm gonna end the video here. This was my first day in Medellin, and I wanted to explore the city a little bit more in a chill way with a guide, just seeing the center and seeing everything in the next video, because there's gonna be at least one, but probably 2 more Medellin videos. I'm gonna explore even crazier things, and I'm so excited to record more videos in Medellin, because I really think this is my city. I'm staying here for 6 days. But I might return later and stay a little bit longer because I just like it so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to be again on my channel on Sunday, because then the second Medellin video will be out, and I think it will be a banger as well. I hope you enjoyed. See you all on Sunday.